How do we divide one-digit number by 9? Simply copy the number 1 and then we put one decimal. The answer is always a repeating decimal. Or we can write it as 0.1 and a bar line. 4 divided by 9, that is 0.444. Or 0.4 with a bar line. 5 divided by 9, that is 0.555. Or 0.5 with a bar line. 7 divided by 9, that is 0.777. Or 0.7 with a bar line. Now, let's divide two-digit number by 9. Copy the first digit 2 and then add the digits 2 plus 4, 6. And then we put one decimal because we have one digit divisor. And put a bar line above the decimal to indicate that it is a repeating decimal. 31 divided by 9, copy 3. And then 3 plus 1, 4. And decimal and a bar line. 52 divided by 9, copy 5. 5 plus 2, that is 7, and 1 decimal place and a bar line. 60 divided by 9. So copy 6. Then 6 plus 0, that is still 6. Then 1 decimal place and a bar line. Remember that the decimal values are repeating decimal. 29 divided by 9. We notice that the sum of the digits is also a two-digit number. If that is the case, we add 1 to the 10th digit. So, 3, then 3 plus 9, 12. So, we simply put 2 because we already carried 1. And then 1 decimal and a bar line. So, the answer is 3.2. 48 divided by 9. The sum is a two digit, so we add 1 to 4, that is 5. Then 5 plus 8, 13. So, we simply write 3. So, the answer is 5.3. 75 divided by 9. We add 1 to the 10th digit, that is 8. 8 plus 5, 13. We already carried 1, so we put 3. The answer is 8.3. Now, let's try dividing three-digit number by 9. Bring down 2, then 2 plus 4, 6. Then 6 plus 1, 7. And then 1 decimal place. So, the answer is 26.7 with a bar line. 602 divided by 9. Bring down 6. 6 plus 0, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Then 1 decimal. The answer is 66.8 with a bar line. Let's try more example. 573 divided by 9. We notice that the sum of the first two digits is also a two-digit number. So we add 1 to the first digit. So we bring down 5 plus 1, that is 6. Then 6 plus 7, 13. We simply write 3 because we already carried 1. Then 3 plus 3, that is 6. And then 1 decimal. The answer is 63.6 with a bar line. 168 divided by 9. Bring down 1. Then 1 plus 6. That is 7. We notice that the sum of the digits is a two-digit number. So we add 1 to 7. And then this will become 8. Then 8 plus 8, 16. So we simply write 6. The answer is 18.6. 4012 divided by 9. Bring down 4. 4 plus 0, that's still 4. Then 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. And then the last digit will be the decimal. So the answer is 445.7 with the bar line. 3,842 divided by 9. We notice that the sum of the first two-digit numbers is also a two-digit, so we add 1 to the first digit. This will become 4. 4 plus 8. That is 12, so we write 2, we already carried 1. 2 plus 4, 6, then 6 plus 2, 8. The last digit will always be the decimal. So the answer is 426.8. 5,394 divided by 9. Bring down 5. And because the sum of the second and third is a two-digit number, so we add 1 here. So 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1, 9. Then 9, the sum of the next digits, 9 and 4, is also a two-digit number, so we add 1 to 9. So 9 plus 9, 18 plus 1, 19. So we simply write 9 because we already carried 1. So 9 plus 4, 13. We write 3 because we carried 1. So the last digit will be the remainder and the rest are the quotient. So the answer is 599. The remainder will be the decimal. So the answer is 599.3. Thank you for watching.